Alright, so then let's look at this question here, which is on application of differentiation. Let's see how we can do this proficiently. So given that the point P and Q lie on the curve whose equation are y equals x squared minus 6x plus 7 is a point on the curve such that the tangent of the curve A is parallel to PQ. Okay, so we just try. I'm not sure how this curve looks like, but essentially if say we have 1 and 2, P is 1 and 2, and actually Q is here, 7 and 14. So this is actually a quadratic curve. So it could be a curve like that. Okay, so essentially this point here to this point here, we have a point A such that it's parallel to PQ. So may just exaggerate this side here. We have a point here, say here to here. This is P 1 2 and this is Q 7 14. We need to find this point A which is parallel to PQ. Okay, so just draw it down. I'm just trying to understand the problem here by drawing it. So this is A that we need to find. That's what they're trying to say. All right, now find the coordinate A. I think it's pretty okay. What we do is just first part is that dy dx is equals to 2x minus 6. So we just know that if these are parallel, the gradient MPQ will just be 14 minus 2, y1 minus y2. Then x1 minus x2, 1. That will be 12 over 6. That will be 2. Okay. Now the MPQ is 2. PQ equals to dy dx would then be 2 equals to 2x minus 6. That will be 8 equals to 2x and x equals to 4. So in other words, this point A here, we know that there will be 4. Now we need to find the y. Okay, so coordinate, the x coordinate of A will be 4. So we're going to find the y will be 4 square minus 6 times 4 minus 7. 16 minus 24 minus 7. We minus 15. Okay, so actually it's way below the curve. Okay, but anyway, that's the whole point there. A will be 4 and negative 15. All right, that's part 1. Now the equation of normal to the curve at A, I think that's pretty okay. We just need to find this equation normal here, which is this part here. I think I have a mistake here. I copied wrongly, so this will be plus 7. That will be plus 7, so 24. This will be minus 1. Okay, that's pretty good. Minus 1, and this is minus 1 as well. Negative 4 is negative 1. A is 4 negative 1, so this is 4 negative 1. Okay, great. So now let's look at the second part. Find the equation of normal, which is this point here. So M normal will be 1 over M tangent, which we already found, which is minus 1 over 2. Right? So now what we're going to do is just equation of tangent normal, sorry, at A will be y minus minus 1 equals to negative half 2 x minus 4. Okay, so just y minus minus 1 x minus 4 times the gradient. That will be y plus 1 plus 2. Just distribute it in a y equals to minus half x plus 1. Great. So there you go. Then let's look at part 3. The normal of the curve meets the curve again. So I know that like when I curve this quadratic curve, it will meet the curve again at B. So we're going to find a curve again at B. So I think it's pretty okay. We just substitute into this equation and solve for B, right? So I'm going to substitute the equation of the, so for part 3, sub y equals to negative half x plus 1 into the equation of the curve to find our B. That will be negative half x plus 1 equals to x squared minus 6x plus 7. Then I could multiply by negative 2 throughout because I don't want to deal with the or I could just multiply by 2 minus x plus 2 2x squared minus 12x plus 14. That will be 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 is 0. Then y2 is just 0 equals to 2x x 12 we put a 6 here, and you could put a 2. No, we can't. So 4 and 3, 4 and 3. Yeah, this will give us negative. So there you go. So so one of it will be 4, which is true. So this case here, x equals to 4 or 3 over 2. So which one of it is 4 here, which is the a, which is fine. You found the intersection between this line and the curve, right? So one of it will be 4. The other one will be the 3 over 2. So hence, when x equals to 3 over 2, y equals to, just substitute in the equation, y equals to 3 over 2 square minus 6, 3 over 2 plus 7. Key in calculator. That will give us 3 over 2 square minus 6 and 3 over 2 plus 7. 1/4. Okay, so that should be our coordinates of B. We will get it at hence coordinates of B are 3.5 and 1/4. Okay, so that's how we do this question proficiently. If you have any questions or comments at all, please let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.